So what they'll normally do is hit it long, but this is beautiful surface.
Immediately there's an opportunity for Claudio Lilepo. Ball to the middle. G-score within 2 minutes. It's Yosso Igatoro opens his account for Amakosi. Couldn't ask for a better start.
A high line is what the visiting team was holding. And Chiefs springs this beautiful attack, but it's Lilepo who was on the front foot. And the goalkeeper initially, we'll see it obviously, I thought it was a great save, but I guess the defense went to sleep. Now, here's the ball, comes from way long, and Lilepo picks it up here, he's on the front foot, he takes a shot, it's a beautiful shot, but yes, definitely defensively they went to sleep.
Ball goes around the back of the wall. Keeper Suso off his line. Chiefs at the second. Beautifully worked by Zita Koinika. And that, I feel, is such an important goal for Keizer Chiefs in this match. And maybe the building blocks for the rest of the season. Look at the celebration.
The point I made is they can break through that problem whereby they're scoring goal and not away. This time not back into the field, but away.
Lukazi to the middle! Free-header again! Making 3-0! 25 minutes played, Keizer Chiefs absolutely rampant. He creates one, he scores one. He's absolutely dominant.
You're going to give it to him. Remember the corner kick came